Well, just 23,000 miles on a well-cared-for 1996 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. This is an absolutely beautiful car. Also, boy, the black on this just really shines. Again, black on the exterior, black on the interior. Both glass and painted tops are included with this car. Under the hood, you'll find a 300 horsepower LT1 engine with automatic transmission. Now, factory features include the performance axle ratio, dual power seats, electronic climate control, Bose Gold AM FM CD cassette stereo. The car features fog lamps, power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, power antenna, has tilt, cruise control, ABS, and traction control. This car comes with a clean Carfax and some very nice options. Again, we said that this car is just 23,503 miles. Beautiful, beautiful 96 Corvette. And it's in nice condition as well. The car's paint is in good condition, has a great shine. Window sweeps, rear hatch seal, and all other weather stripping is very good as well. Factory wheels are in very good to excellent condition. And this car also comes with brand new Toyo tires. Not the Goodyear tires that you see in these photos, which were replaced due to the condition of them. So you get those brand new tires as well. The interior of this 1996 Corvette shows very good to excellent factory leather seats, excellent center console, and very good door panels and steering wheel. Underhood AC lines have been polished, and the subframe is corrosion-free. All of our Corvettes are hand-picked here at buyavette.net, so give us a call today at 770-414-5552 and talk to one of our experienced sales representatives. You won't believe the inventory of Corvettes that we have here in Atlanta, Georgia. And remember, we make buying online something you can do with ease, but more importantly, with confidence. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that notification button. You'll see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Be sure to check us out. For pricing and more pictures on this particular car, be sure to click the link right below this video. Again, buyavette.net. We hope to hear from you really soon.